Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Learn More Maths. My name is Vara Kumar. Today we are going to solve a second problem from 5th chapter quadratic equations exercise 5.2. This is the second problem. See here what he is asking. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. So here he has given this. First we have to form a quadratic equation using the situation. So let one number be x. So see here, let one of the two numbers be x. Since their sum is 27, see here, since their sum is 27, the other number is equal to 27 minus x. So here let one number be x, then the other becomes 27 minus x. Since the sum is 27, suppose if one number is 10, then the other number is 27 minus 10 is 17. So that now the two numbers are x and 27 minus x. So their product has given 182. So their product equal to 182. So that is here x into 27 minus x is equal to 182. So product means you have to multiply the numbers. So here the numbers are x and 27 minus x is equal to 182. So just to multiply by x, so what we get, see here, x into 27 we get 27x, x into minus x square is equal to 182 is there on the right side, write 182. So now take these two terms to the right side. So here what we get, see here, here already 182 is there. Take 27x to the right side, it becomes minus 27x. Take minus x square to the right side, it becomes plus x square is equal to 0. So now write this equation in standard form. So first you have to write x square term, then x square term, then constant. So now I am rearranging the terms. So first write x square, next to minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. So now the given situation, from the given situation we have formed a quadratic equation, x square minus 27x plus 182 equal to 0. So now we have to solve by factorization. So here the x square coefficient is 1, x coefficient is minus 27 and the constant is 182. So multiply the coefficient of x square with constant. So here what we get, see here, 1 into 182, 1 into 182 is equal to 182. Now we have to select two factors for 182. Here the condition is their product should be 182 and the sum should be minus 27. So for that how can we get the factors? See here, now we have to resolve this 182 into factors. So see here, divide by 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2. So next it is not divisible by 2, 3 and it is divisible by 7. So 7 1s are 7, 21 is there, 7 3s are 21. So once check. So 2 into 91 is 182, but 2 plus 91 is not equal to minus 27. So if you take 2 into 7, 14. So see here, now I am checking 14 into 13. 14 into 13 I am checking. See here, 2 into 7, 14. 14 into 13 equal to how much? 182. So but here we require negative. So we have to take minus 14 into minus 13 is equal to plus 182 and minus 14 plus minus 13 is equal to minus 27. So these two are the factors. So how can we write? See here, write the first term x square as usual, but this minus 27x we have to write as a minus 14x minus 13x. So I am writing minus 13x minus 14x plus 182 is equal to 0. So just we have to split the middle term. Write x square as usual, but this minus 27x I have written as minus 13x minus 14x. Write plus 182 as usual is equal to 0. So now what is common in the first two terms? So see here, in first two terms x is common, so write x is common. So what will be? So here x minus 13, we get x minus 13. So here in the last two terms minus 14 is common, so minus 14 is common. So here we get again x minus 13, x minus 13 is equal to 0. So here again x minus 13 is common here, x minus 13 is common. So if you take x minus 13 as common, so here x minus 13 into, so here x is there, here minus 14 is there. So x minus 13 into x minus 14 is equal to 0. So now x minus 13 equal to 0 or x minus 13 equal to 0 or x minus 14 equal to 0, x minus 14 equal to 0. So from this what we get, see here, take minus 13 to the right side, we get x is equal to plus 13 or x is equal to plus 14. Take minus 14 to the right side, it becomes x equal to 14. So if x equal to 13, that is equal to 14. So if x is equal to 13, then 27 minus x equal to 27 minus 13, that is 14. So next we have second one, if x is equal to 4 equal to 13. So if x is equal to 14, then 27 minus x equal to 27 minus 14, that is 13. Therefore the two numbers are 13 and 14 or 14 and 13. Therefore the two numbers are, so we have to write, therefore the two numbers equal to 13 and 14. So once check, their sum is 27. So check, 13 plus 14 is 27. Their product is 182. If you multiply 13 and 14, we get 182. So like this we can solve. This is the second problem in 5.2 exercise. Next we have to solve third problem. This is the third problem from 5.2 exercise. See here what he has given. Find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose squares is 613. So here again from the given situation, first we have to form a quadratic equation, then we have to solve. So here consecutive means so one after other. Suppose if one number is 10, then the other is 11. So next coming number. So if one number is x, then the other is x plus 1. So let the two consecutive positive integers be x comma x plus 1. So their squares, sum of the squares, that is see here how can we write. So let the two consecutive positive integers be x comma x plus 1. He is saying that sum of their squares is 613. So but the sum of their squares is 613. So that is how can we write it is x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to 613. So their squares is x square and x plus 1 whole square. Sum means we have to add. Sum of their squares, x square and x plus 1 whole square are their squares. Sum means we have to add. So see here, x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to 613. So now write this x square as usual, but this second one is in the form a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here a square is x square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 1 plus b square is 1 square is equal to 613. So just you have to simplify here, x square plus x square, so we get 2x square, so 2 into x into 1 we get 2x plus 1 square is 1. So take 613 to the left side, we get minus 613 is equal to 0. Now so now just we have to simplify again. See here, write 2x square plus 2x as usual. So plus 1 no minus 613 we get minus 612 is equal to 0. So here we can take 2 as common. So here if you write 2 as common, here x square plus what is there, x minus 306, we get 306 is equal to 0. So if you take 2 to the right side, it becomes 0 by 2. 0 by 2 is 0 again. So finally we get x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. So now this is the formed quadratic equation from the given situation. So now we have to solve this. So here the x square coefficient is 1, x coefficient is 1, constant is minus 306. So multiply the x square coefficient with constant. So here 1 into minus 306, 1 into minus 306 we get minus 306. So now we have to resolve 306 into two factors. Here the condition is their product should be minus 306 and sum should be plus 1. So what we get, see here, just we have to resolve into factors. 306 or divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6. So 2 into 153 is not possible. So again further divide by 3. So 3 5s are 15. Next 3 1s are 3. 2 into 3 6. 6 into 51 is also not possible. Again divide by 3. So 3 1s are 3. 21. 3 7s are 21. So now once check. 2 into 3 6. 6 into 3 18. 18 into 17 is possible. So here but we have to take plus 18 into minus 17 is equal to minus 306, and plus 18 minus 17 we get plus 1. So see here how can we write. So write this x square as usual, but this plus x we can write as plus 18x minus 17x, plus 18x minus 17x minus 306 is equal to 0. So now from the first two terms we take x common. So x is common in the first two terms. So if we take x as common, what we get, see here, x into x plus 18. So in the first two terms take x as common, we get x plus 18. So in this last two terms, so minus 17 is common. So write minus 17 as common, again we can get x plus 18 is equal to 0. So here if you take minus 17 as common, here we get x. Minus 306 can be written as minus 17 into plus 18. So if you write minus 17 common, so again plus 18 will be. So here x plus 18 is common, x plus 18 is common. So here x is there, here minus 17 is there. Minus 17 is equal to 0. So here x plus 18 equal to 0 or x minus 17 equal to 0. So here take plus 18 to the right side, we get x is equal to minus 18, or take minus 17 to the right side, x is equal to plus 17. So here since the given numbers are positive integers, we have to take only a positive number. So here therefore 18. So if x is equal to 17, then x plus 1 is equal to 17 plus 1, that is 18. Therefore the two consecutive So therefore the two consecutive positive integers equal to 17 and 18. So like this we can find this is the third problem in the 5.2 exercise. Next we have to solve fourth problem. This is the fourth problem in 5.2 exercise. See here what he has given. The altitude of a right angled triangle is 7 centimeters less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeters, find the other two sides. Find the other two sides. So see here, it is about a right angled triangle. So this is a right angled triangle. So here what he is saying, the altitude is 7 centimeter less than its base. So altitude means height. Height is comparing with the base. So let the base of the right angled triangle be x centimeters. Let the base be x. Then altitude becomes x minus 7. Since it is 7 centimeter less, so it becomes x minus 7. And he has given the hypotenuse is 13 centimeters. So this is hypotenuse he has given, it is 13 centimeters. So here we have to find the other two sides are nothing but base and altitude. So see here how can we find, let the base of the right angle triangle is x centimeters. So see here, let the base of the right triangle be x centimeters, then its altitude becomes x minus 7 centimeters. So and he has given that hypotenuse is, so given that its hypotenuse equal to 13 centimeters. So according to Pythagoras theorem, we have hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. So see here we have, so according to Pythagoras theorem we have base square plus altitude square equal to hypotenuse square. So here base is x, so base square becomes x square. And altitude is x minus 7, altitude square is there, so it becomes x minus 7 whole square. Hypotenuse is 13, so hypotenuse square is there, it becomes 13 square. So we have x square plus x minus 7 whole square equal to 13 square. So see here, just to have to simplify, so write x square as usual, but this x minus 7 whole square is in the form a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here a square is x square minus 2ab is 2 into x into 7 plus b square is 7 square is equal to 13 square. So now just we have to simplify again. X square plus x square becomes 2x square. So 2 into x, 2x into 7 minus 14x. So plus 7 square is 49. So take, so is equal to 13 square is 169. 13 square is 169. So now take 169 to the left side. Finally we have 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 is equal to 0. So here we get 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169, we get minus 120. Minus 120 is equal to 0. So here we can take 2 as common. So what we get finally? So if we take 2 as common, so finally we get 2 into x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. So here if you take 2 as common, here x square minus 7x minus 60 equal to 0. Take 2 to the right side. Finally we get x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. So this is the formed quadratic equation from the given situation. So now we have to solve. Here the x square coefficient is 1, x coefficient is minus 7 and the constant is minus 60. So multiply x square coefficient with constant. So that is 1 into minus 60 is equal to minus 60. So now we have to find factors of minus 60. Here the condition is their product should be minus 60 and sum should be minus 7. So here how can we find the factors? Just resolve into factors. 2 into 30. So next 2 into 15 and 3 into 5. So just we have to select. So 2 into 30 is not possible. 4 into 15 is also not possible. But here 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12. 12 into 5 is 60. Yes, it is possible. So but here we have to take minus 12 plus 5. Minus 12 plus 5 is minus 60 and minus 12 plus 5 is equal to minus 7. So here minus 12 plus 5 are the factors. Minus 12 into plus 5 is minus 60. Minus 12 plus 5 is equal to minus 7. So here write x square as usual, but this minus 7x can be written as minus 12x plus 5x. Minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0. So in the first two terms x is common. So take x as common, we get x minus 12 here. So in the last two terms plus 5 is common. So here we get x minus 12 again is equal to 0. So just see here in these two terms x is common. Here we get x, here minus 12. So in these two terms plus 5 is common. Here we get x. So 60 can be written as 5 into 12. So 5 is common, here 12 is there. So totally x minus 12 is common. X minus 12 into x plus 5 is equal to 0. So here x minus 12 is equal to 0 or x plus 5 is equal to 0. X plus 5 is equal to 0. So take minus 12 to the right side, we get here x is equal to 12 or x is equal to minus 5. So since x is the base, we have to take only positive. We have to take only positive here. X is equal to 12 only. If x is equal to 12, then x minus 7 is equal to, which is equal to 5. So therefore x value is nothing but base. Base equal to 12 centimeters and x minus 7 is nothing but altitude. Altitude is equal to 5 centimeters. So find the other two sides. Therefore the other two sides are, I am writing here. So therefore the other two sides equal to 12 centimeters and 5 centimeters. So this is the fourth problem in 5.2 exercise. So that's all today's class. We will meet in the next class with another problem. Thanks for watching.